I've written and heard many opinions that he'll end up potentially on the blindside flank. But Ethan Adams, well, he's ending up over the try line yet again. Oh, that's brilliant work from Ethan Adams. So difficult to bring down. He's stocky yet strong and scoring. Wow. The tank.
Against the grain. Now Ethan Adams. Just look at the strength of Ethan Adams. Ethan the Tank Adams. It's well taken. There's trouble. Back the kick off from the Tank. Ethan Adams. Just look at him go. Bursting through tackles and will. Still going. Oh my word. The Tank is
there. 4 tries in the championship so far as well. Wonderful position for Kevin Foot to be in. And here is Ethan Adams getting the short ball from Yakin Ahmed.
Dis beter balbesit nou vir Greg College. RWA kry weg na Ethan Adams. En dan trek Ethan Adams. Een om te klop. Ethan Adams. Die Tank is terug. Beautiful ball and a great line pick by the Tank Adams. Ethan Adams. Take a bow. The Tank is back. Ethan Adams from the shoulder of Peter van der Merwe. And the little town of Kareado in the Eastern Cape jumps from their chairs as their hero. Lam Gadezi under the ball. Oh, he has trouble for Affies. Ethan Adams. Oh, said he has trouble.
As Riley Norton is for South Africa. Ethan Adams, look at that. Like a pinball. In the midfield.
The defense has been absolutely amazing. Ethan Adams. It's a great carry from the outside centre. He's still going. Just look at him go. Still going, Ethan Adams. He's gone over 5-6 chippy defenders.
Contested throw to Riley Norton. This time, Kibutile marker out the back, and Ethan Adams, stop it if you can. Running straight and hard and powerfully.
So Hartig wins the line out. And here's Rassi Makosa, who's been awarded that try, and here's Ethan Adams at pace with South Africa's 5th.
Chambril trying to get in over it. Nkambule, inside ball to Letzi. Oh my word!
This one not going to hand. This time it's down by Heinrich Duron. And Ethan Adams, a destructive runner in the midfield. What a steal that is. First man in was Ethan Adams. Riley Norton. And now Ethan Adams. That's how they want to bring him into the game. So hard to bring down.
A couple months ago. Over the top, and Ethan Adams gets that. He's going to be tough to stop. The Tank is still going. Ethan Adams in his 3rd Craven Week crashes over for another try. And he is getting used to that.
If you want to ask a question, go through your captain.
Wow.
Let's hear him all check.
From Great College, picked up by base. Adams glides his way through. Ethan Adams steps the last defender. He's a superstar. Is Ethan the Tank Adams, and he's proving it here this afternoon. Watch out, South African schools rugby in 2025. Ethan Adams is on the way.
I just wanted to say that Aya Boyson might be the key man, but they've lost that ball at line-out time, and what a thumping tackle.
Yes, sir, Ethan Adams is saying this.
Klein kantjie toe Ethan Adams. En daar trek Adams, daar trek Adams. Daar trek Adams. Hy gaan nog 'n 3 kry. Adams wat sy 4de 3 kry. As ek dit nie heeltemal verkeerd het.
En die voorspelers na RW. Nou Ethan Adams. En dan van die eerste verdediger ontslaan.
Set up, and here's Ethan Adams. He's managed to snap one as the big number 12 centre.
To the right, and he got Kidezi. Gets your foot away to Adams. That is just brilliant stuff. Ethan Adams, how are you going to stop this guy? He is unstoppable. Ethan Adams scores his second try for the Free States.
Transition, and by slipping it out the back they're looking to go wide. The cutest of dinks over the top, and then the support. A bit of magic from Ethan Adams, the Lion.
Dance and such things very quickly.
Perfect weight on the restart.
It's okay, it's okay.
Strong line-out win, and here is Ethan Adams again, bursting through tackles. Finds Luke Cannon to his inside. Norton under pressure.
Powerful run out and finds space, Steven Fourie. Crashes forward, the big tight end, Felix. Sulky steals in the back line, Ethan Adams, there you go. That's what he can do to sides. Big, burly, but quick as anything.
Yeah, that's a spectacular try there by Adams. Chip over the top and chase it, but it's been really well read by Ethan Adams. And Adams has some space in front of him, and then he puts the shoulder in.
Big scrum from South Africa. Clive Patton Brett gives it to Adams. He's going to tackle and go, and he's still going. Is Ethan Adams want to go all the way? Got the offload on the inside. Magical Marcus
Weggehaald deur Felix kort. Sit hy vir Pieter van der Merwe in die gat in. Terug na Felix toe. Dan gaan hy Ethan Adams toe. Net eenvoudig briljant.
advantage for Karen. Felix puts it on the foot, and this is Ethan Adams. Does he have the wall? Ethan Adams opens the score sheet for the